Alright guys, so we're going to be going to the scrapyard today. Got the trailer all loaded up. These are all like lights and stuff. But we're going to be making a run to the scrapyard here, as you guys could see. Got the trailer pretty decently loaded. A lot of these are all old lights. And then in the back of my truck, we got some more lights, a dryer, a couple other little things. But yeah, we're going to be making a run to the scrapyard, guys. So stick around if you want to see what we can get, money we can make today, and how much we get paid. I think you'll enjoy it. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to be doing some scrap metal today. So got a bunch of these lights I picked up from a friend of mine. He said his dad got them from a Walmart a few years ago. Never did nothing with them. They just sat in the yard. But I guess they switched to all LED lights. So there's I think there was over 100 or something of these. And there's a bunch of other appliances on here. A couple hot air furnaces. But it's, as you see, it's all mostly those lights, which is just crazy to me. And there's another stack in the back of the truck. Another stack I couldn't fit on the trailer. If I didn't have the other stuff on, I definitely would have fit it. But since I got this much room, I have other stuff I have to go pick up. But I want to get rid of this. As you see, it rained last night. Last 2 days it rained. But I got a couple sealed units. Some sealed units in there. Here's some air conditioners that we ripped apart. And then I have some number 2 copper. Number 2 copper. I found a bunch of this wire in those things I was taking apart. There's a copper coil out of that big boiler. And that's all the way in the bottom. Things like 2.5 feet long or more. I went through, cleaned a bunch of my brass. I was taking these little things apart that I've been saving. Most of this stuff was what I was saving because it's just harder to clean than the easier stuff than just cutting the handles off and stuff. But you see my hand? Look at that. I smashed it with the hammer doing this. Fingers are all beat up. That's why I hate doing this stuff. Then I have a little bit of number 1, which I'm going to transfer into a smaller bin. And then that's all the stuff that I couldn't clean. My hands just couldn't take it no more. But using the vise and everything, I was trying to do the best I could. And then I have some electric motors. I'm going to be taking them off. And then there's a little bit of wire. I'm going to leave that for next time. I don't get much of that stuff anymore. But yeah, we're going to be loading this stuff up, guys. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I wanted to end the year at 3,500 subscribers. I ended November at 3,500 subscribers. So channel's been growing really good lately. Put out a couple little short videos that didn't go anywhere. I was trying different things. This video is going to be done a little differently. If you notice, I made a little intro now. Let me know how you guys think about that. You guys are watching me all the time. Trying to get better and better at this. I have over 500 videos out, and I noticed that they were kind of crummy. So, you know, they're not getting much better. So I'm trying to do some things differently. So we're going to load this stuff up, hook up to this trailer, hook up to that trailer, and then we're going to go off to the scrapyard. And then I got more scrap to pick up, guys. So, all right, let's get this loaded up, and I'll show you when we're all hooked up. So now you guys can see a little better now. I got everything loaded up. So, number 2, sealed units, about half a can. Pretty heavy, I'd say probably 250 pounds or so. And this is probably over 100, 120 pounds. That bucket of brass is probably 80 pounds. I'd say that's probably close to 100 pounds of copper. And 2 little batteries. And those copper fins, which isn't a lot. It's only like 8 or 9 air conditioners worth. Then we have all this tin. And then that whole trailer. So what do you think it's going to pay, guys? Now, remind you, I always show at the end on what I make. So you can get your guess in first and then say if you were wrong or not. And to the guys that are like, oh, you're going to make 30 bucks. No. Ugh, not going to happen. Not today, Satan. I'm thinking, and I'm going to say this in the same video because guys are like, oh, you just edit it back in. No, I don't. My editing skills are crap. When I'm talking, I'm talking. I'm filming as I'm talking. So I want to make $1,000 today. Just putting that out there, $1,000. So if you think the stuff in the back of this truck, along with that trailer, is going to be $1,000, give a thumbs up, guys. All right, let's get hooked up. All right, gentlemen, and just like that, we're all connected. I got to check my lights though, but I want to go over a few things with you guys. A lot of times when you put your, oh, that thing go on. Put your lights on in your four-ways, you can check and make sure all your lights are good. But got my safety pin in, got my safety chains crossed, got my lights and my brakes hooked up, jack is up, hitch pins are all in, that stuff's secure. Got a couple of ratchet straps on the stuff. I could probably stand to be a little bit tighter now that it's shifted. And I always put my straps like this. I know some of you guys tie it, but I usually just loop it up because this way, if it gets loose as I drive from it bouncing, I could just get this little quick cinch on it. But we got this all done. Yep, lights are blinking. This is a brand new trailer, guys. So I'm not expecting any lights to be out, but if they were, I would fix them. Now this is my trailer. This is my truck. That's my truck. And I'm the one responsible for them. As soon as I take this out on the road, I'm 100% responsible for anything that flies off, any accidents that happen. And that's why I see some of these guys don't even have straps, or some of you guys are using older trailers. That's the oldest trailer I have, and that's only 3 years old. This one's not even 6 months old. It's 3 months old, 4 months old. I see some of you guys using some of these old sketchy trailers. No, I won't. I refuse to. I will not do it. And I know I put in that last video the trailer was overloaded. The trailer still had 2,000 pounds of capacity I could have put on it. Still be legal. So like, it looked like it was overloaded on the white truck, but the white truck could tow 14,500 pounds. This could tow 10,000. So I was nowhere even near maximum weight capacity. Some of you guys pull shit with vans and I don't even know, man. I look on the forums and some of you guys don't even use a pickup truck. You don't have to use a pickup truck for scrap. I mean, use what you got. But don't go hooking up with a trailer like this and trying to tow it with a minivan. That's just stupid. This trailer's 1,500 pounds with nothing on it. You know, and like right now, there's probably 3,500 pounds on it. You tow it behind a minivan or an SUV? Wait, no weight distributing hitch? Like this is a weight distributing hitch on here. I don't even put the bars on it because I don't need it because I'm not towing heavy enough. I don't know, guys. You want to be safe when you're towing and everything. I keep putting these in the videos. So a lot of you guys that watch my videos are a little bit older, you know, 45 and older. Some are a little bit younger. And you guys know better, the older guys. And some of these young guys, they just don't understand. You know, if anything happens, man, you're leaving yourself open for a massive lawsuit. I know guys that don't even have their trucks inspected. Like, I mean, you got to do what you got to do, but you can't be running illegal setups or stuff that's unsafe. I put brand new tires on. My trucks are older, and they're in the most elite freaking maintenance on them and safety. If something's wrong, I fix it. I don't just, oh, I'll get to it later. That's like when I had a problem with the wheel bearing on the white truck. Fixed it immediately. Put brand new tires on it. Every November, brand new tires. I don't want to leave myself open for a lawsuit, and I really don't want to hurt anybody. I really don't want to hurt myself. But I'm more worried about other people. You know, this is dangerous out here doing this. And these guys, you know, how many times can you roll the dice before it comes up snake eyes? Snake eyes as you die. But all right, guys, we're headed to the scrapyard. We're going to Stanton's first. Get rid of the good stuff, the copper, brass, and all that. And then we'll go to Weissman's and unload this crap. And we'll see how much money we make today. I'm hoping for $1,000, but then I got more scrap to go pick up, which will be in the next video. I'll film all that and see what happens. Next day is going to be busy, but all right, let's go to the scrapyard. Just want to show you guys how beautiful the morning is. It's nice. We're jamming out to some Pantera. Temperatures are all good. Just cruising along to the scrapyard. Beautiful Monday morning. Look at these guys. Yeah, I see them looking. Here's some V8. Nothing like the growl of a V8 in the morning. We made it to Weissman's. We went to Stanton's first because I was way early and they weren't open. So I went to Stanton's first. I'll show you guys how much we made on the good stuff, the non-ferrous stuff. So we're weighing in at 11,100 pounds. So this is going to be a decent load. I made a little less than I thought I was going to at Stanton's, guys. So I don't know if we're going to make a grand today, but stick with it. We'll see what we can make. Alright, guys. Done unloading, pulling on the scale. Looks like these drivers don't know what the fuck they're doing. Just jam up right in the middle of the parking lot. A bunch of fucking chodes. So we weighed on 11,000 and we're weighing out 7.3. So we had a decent load on. It took me a while to unload all those lights. Are a pain in the ass. But alright, boys and girls, let's see. Oh, this guy suck. Gotta wait for this guy. Alright, guys, so we had 3,780 pounds of tin. So that was a decent load. Prices went up a little bit, so it's 200 a ton, gross ton. So that was $337.50. Now here's everything we had at Stanton's. Sealed units, we had 233 pounds, 25 cents a pound, $58. I can't talk. So we had electric motors, 148, and it was $48. Dirty ACRs, yeah, I don't clean them. $1.42. That was almost $100, $93. And then number 2 copper at 81 pounds, at a little less than I thought, which is you see from the total at the bottom. I didn't make as good as I did. That was 247. Auto batteries, 2 batteries, $25, $6.25. Yellow brass, that was 1 bucket. It was 76 pounds, guys. At $2.10 a pound. So that was 140 for that bucket of brass, 5-gallon bucket. So I made 593. So I ended up making 900. So I made 900 and oh Christ, $34. $933. So I didn't make my goal of 1,000. I mean, I wanted to make a little over 1,000, so when I put gas in my truck, guys, I don't have to, I would have been over 1,000, but I can't really complain. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I'm happy with the support I've been getting lately, and you guys have been subscribing and liking. And so if you're new to the channel, always hit that like button. It helps the algorithm, really helps me grow. And I hope you guys like the new format and the way I do my videos. I'm going to be doing a little different. But alright, guys, I want to end the year strong. I've been having a bad couple, like 2 weeks. So I want to end the year strong. And maybe at the end of the year, I'll give you guys totals of how much weight, how many pounds I brought in. Usually I bring about 600,000 to 700,000 pounds lately without doing the cars and stuff like I used to. Used to do over 1 million pounds of scrap metal a year just on non-ferrous. But I'll get you guys some totals in January. Hopefully the weather stays pretty decent until January so we don't get too much snow here. But, alright, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. And remember, it's not a job. It's a fucking adventure, guys. Alright. Oh, I still gotta go pick stuff up, so my adventure's still gonna keep going today. I'll have another video out tomorrow, guys. Thank you.